Hello everyone, welcome to Whittle Spot. This is Abhishek, founder of whittlesback.ai. We are building an AI tool to optimize Meta and Google Ads for e-commerce businesses to improve their ROAS. And today I have Sanjog, our fellow founder, who is building a Vocabree-based calorie app, and let us know what he's up to and what is he building for the providing value to the audience. Yes, Sanjog, how are
Yes,
you doing?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm good. Yes.
Yeah. So,
So tell us more about Vocal and why did you want to start it and what is the reason to, get into it?
yeah. So basically, I was in my like I'm still in my last year of college, but I had this 6 months of a compulsory internship from college, and I was before that also, like, since the AI boom, I've been experimenting with AI, building stuff with AI, and I built multiple web apps tools, but hadn't tinkered around with mobile apps, and that was one area which I wanted to build. And secondly, when like I had personally started going to the gym, and I wanted to track my calories and diet, but I had faced this major hurdle. Like, being a person in UX, I always look at applications from the experience point of view, and I found out that no calorie tracking app makes it easy for you. Like, Healthify Me, MyFitnessPal, as well as the world's popular app Calorie, which allows you to take photos, but none of these suit, one, for Indian context, and secondly, they are also a lot tedious when you track calories 3 times a day, every day. Because, and we Indians don't eat in a single portion. Like, Americans might have all of the food in one plate and they take a picture, it works for them. But we eat, there's sabzi, there's roti, then we refill that, and then you can never have the right context on basis of photo. And it's frustrating to take multiple photos. So that is where I found out, like, there should be a easier alternative to this. And then I found out that like we are like comfortable with voice, so try to get these two things together and also make it easier for us to speak in Indian languages, Hindi, English, Marathi, and all those Indian languages, because the food context is very specific to those languages. If you say dal and it converts it into lentils for in different applications, if you say that, then it is a issue, because lentils soaked, that is a different calorie, but dal, the way it is made, it is a different calories. So I took up this challenge, and then I thought of building Vocal, and it's now already out to, like, beta testers. It's out on closed testing for on both Apple and Play Store, and I'm planning to launch it very soon.
Nice, interesting. For a second, I am also a user of MyFitnessPal when I was working out back.
Hmm.
I was using it before when I was pretty keen on my calorie track.
Yeah.
So I'll tell you one of the problem I have faced personally is that, as you said, I can't find few dishes in our homemade,
Hmm.
in Fitness Pal. It is
Right.
more of US based, culinary, which is being said there.
Hmm.
So, are you saying that you're trying to indulge lot of Indian dishes into the, what do I say, in the app, or yeah, how is it?
Yeah, so basically, there's no very fixed database which I'm using, because the food items keep evolving. So, for example, if there's a new product launched yesterday, if any product and you have that food, and if you put it into Vocal, the app, you speak that out, it will bring those calories and exact from the nutrition facts of that of that brand's website and the nutrition label. So I want to make it such that it is like whatever is available online, whatever exists in terms of food, everything is there. So right now I've made it Indian focus because I'm targeting that niche. But any item in the world, even if you say McDonald's Big Mac burger, specific to the last ingredient, like the dish which you're having, it will bring those calories. And if you say roti sabji or whatever sabji in your language, that will also be taken care of.
So, what is your target market? Like, who are you trying to solve this specifically? As I understood, it is only for Indian markets or global markets as well.
So it is made in such a way that anyone in the world can use it. So, but right now I'm starting with Indian market, because I this is one learning which I picked up when I was building, is that because I am in India, I have that kind of audience on my content also. It is easier to market. Secondly, there's this video by Peter Thiel where he talks about taking up a ridiculously small niche and small market and trying to conquer that first. So I had initially thought of being like in Maharashtra, being I know people who speak Marathi, and there's nothing catering to them. So I thought of starting with that specific thing only. But now it's like it works with 11 Indian languages. The way I've designed it, so that I can take up that market, understand, improve it, and then as I like scale it, it works with English also. So anyhow, anyone in the world can use it.
And I feel you can spread out to Asian markets
Yeah,
as well, Asian languages as well.
yeah. That is another like major thing that can be done. True.
Oh, is there any data that how many users are there in MyFitnessPal globally?
So I there are like till date there are 200 million signups which have been done on MyFitnessPal. That is the
200
stat I
million.
have looked at. So I don't know how many active users MyFitnessPal right now has.
Okay. Okay. When I was using MyFitnessPal, it used to have the general, entry of the product name and all,
Yeah,
and that. But
it's still this.
last 2 years back, they've got an update of the picture one as well.
Yeah, now they have the options of picture, voice, but like the primary thing is still the same of database.
Okay. Okay. So, what would be your USP compared to MyFitnessPal, to be precise?
Yeah, so MyFitnessPal, the way it does is it has a fixed database, which is one plus point for them because they have like fixated on these values. So those won't be variable for different users. But the database is not ever evolving due to it. It accepts user entries, and there is a limit on how much they can keep on adding and keep on improving. Plus, secondly, the most important point is the context. So whenever a user says specific things in a natural way. For example, I had one plate chole bhature is what he is saying. That is a very simple thing that might be taken by MyFitnessPal. It will search the database, get one values of each. But as the context improve, like as the dishes get complex, as you speak more naturally about a specific meal, then it becomes difficult for it to bring. And right now what it does is it basically searches its database and brings those values. So if I say one dark fantasy, maybe it won't have that and it won't log the calories, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the way I just
You are
wanted to make
trying to
it,
build it more personalized, you say,
yeah,
and
more nuanced and more contextual for the users. Basically they don't have to worry what is being taken, they just have to speak whatever they ate and the rest is taken care of.
who are all your competitors apart from MyFitnessPal?
So in the voice segment, I've seen few apps right now which are started. Like there is an app called Speak Macros, but it is very recently launched and it is primarily Western market.
It's a US-based
Then
company.
yeah, yeah. Then there is Cal AI, but it only does photos. So it allows you to click a picture of your plate and then it logs it for you. Again, that doesn't work for India because सब्जी के अंदर क्या है ऊपर से you'd never know.
Yeah.
So and there are a lot of calorie tracking apps. Like there are thousands and thousands of calorie tracking apps. But in specific this niche, what I am doing, I haven't found any.
Okay. So in this competitive market, what is your go-to-market strategy to find your users, and what are the, marketing channels you are, implementing to get your users from
Yeah.
this
So,
competitive?
I've been designing, I've been building, but with marketing, that is the biggest moat right now is distribution, and I get to crack it. So I'll be very honest, I haven't cracked it. I haven't really figured out the GTM really well. One thing I'm working on is my personal brand, which I'm posting on Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter. Like majorly, I am there on Insta. I have close to 4,000 followers now, and I'm trying to build that. So, and I also have a waitlist linking there, so people wait. I have it's crossed 200, 300 people right now, but it's on a very small scale. I need to build. I'm planning to scale that much bigger, like at least 10K followers within the next 2 months at least. And then another marketing strategy which I am thinking of doing, but would require funds for, is the UGC market. So giving apps to people, collabing with them on user generated content, because that is something which is really working for a lot of apps. uh, and I've personally tried the AI UGC also. So like that is something I had the tools. I know AI pretty well, so I tried making a avatar, a creator, and making reels
Talking about
in
AI.
the health fitness segment, but that hasn't worked yet. So like there are no views on that account yet. So I still
I was
figuring.
also, I mean, when we were working on a GTM,
Hmm.
I was working on this, strategy of building an automation of AI avatar, as you
Okay.
mentioned,
Hmm.
where that automation takes scripts, viral scripts in that particular niche, and make videos and post it.
Right.
So in this way, if you can crack one avatar, let's say Neil is one, and the other one is Mr. Beast, or some 10
Hmm.
avatars like that. They are all fitness influencers putting out fitness content, and then they talk about your product. I
Right.
think it is a very big, traction leading way for your
Yeah.
product.
Yeah,
And we are
definitely.
also working on it, but automations are pretty much, a headache to get it done
Hmm.
properly. That is, a roadblock we face in this kind of strategy. Have you worked on any AI automations?
Yeah, I've built like for the AI UGC account, which I specifically mentioned. I didn't put in an automation because I was taking the script. I created the clips using VO and stitched them together. That gave me the best output possible. Like I compared it with a lot of other tools, other creators. The output in terms of it looking AI or not you looking AI, that was not the virality factor from content that needs to be improved upon, I think, for the AI avatar for me. And in terms of automations, I haven't tested those because a lot of there's the entry barrier to that is funds which are required to immediately start it up. For right now, for me, it is just the VO subscription which I already have. So there's no extended setup I require for the automation right now.
Okay. How did you build the product? Like, was it by yourself, or do you have a team, or how did you build the product?
Yeah, so it is completely designed by me, and development. I have a developer friend who is helping me with the like core aspects, some of them. But I would say 50% is developed by me, 50% is by him, and it is majorly using Claude Code. So like that has been a insane tool. That is the one tool I think is the most worth of right now. If anyone wants to build anything, web app, mobile app, anything automations, it is Cloud Code is the tool.
You guys haven't used Lovable?
Yeah, Lovable is good for web apps, but for mobile apps there's no like
Okay.
I tried multiple tools like there's a Rourke tool for vibe coding mobile apps. There is a vibe code app also, but none of
Cursor is
them.
also there.
Yeah, cursor. We use cursor for changes, but like the way Claude's agentic framework works, basically, the planning and in general, the Claude model is really good. So we found that to be the best.
Okay, great, great. So coming to your personal branding, founder-led brand, what is your strategy that you have worked out to crack the algorithm of social media?
Yeah, so I wouldn't say I haven't cracked it yet because I'm still figuring it out. Few things I've noticed is the reels which I'm posting regularly about my progress, they tend to engage with the followers, but to get new audience, that doesn't work for me. Like because I'm in a niche where the product is not incredibly different from what exists, so there are not a lot of people, new people engaging with that. But I've figured out another set of content which works for new users. For example, a recent reel which went viral, like it had 220K views in few days, was that I was just explaining the tech stack I'm using for the app, and that is something really basic, but for the masses, for getting to the new people, that worked for me. So I'm trying a hybrid strategy right now where I post few content which is value based and helps me get new followers, and then side by side also post the progress content like me building in public, so that the new followers are also engaged with me in the journey.
Are you working on YouTube as well?
I'm just passively uploading the same videos which I'm posting to Instagram on YouTube. I've seen a steady 1K views on YouTube, so I haven't seen any good growth there. So, and I have planned to do long form content, but I haven't started it yet.
Okay. I mean the YouTube log form content.
Yeah.
What would be the the script or the value you want to provide through the long form content to your audience?
Hmm. So right, that is the one reason I haven't started yet. I think long form content works when you have either you are explaining something or either you are sharing your personal journey. I don't have the bandwidth right now to post explainer videos and tutorials or tool explanations, those things, but they will work out, I think. And second is the journey content, which will resonate most with the audience. So I will do that once I have reached a specific stage where I have enough to tell them and they can learn a lot from it.
What is that recent, product or marketing strategy that inspired you a lot that you took an inspiration from it? Uh, See, we usually take inspirations from the product, from the marketing,
Hmm.
yeah, in the business world and work on them. So
Yeah.
what is that, motivated you to take that particular strategy or more, inspiration?
So I've been following all these new age startups. So the way Cluely does its marketing with UGC, the way even
I know them as well.
WhisperFlow, yeah, WhisperFlow is also doing really great with UGC. I've seen these brands. Personal branding wise, I've seen there's this guy called Omar. Basically, he's building the next. Be Real application. So where called Vlogit. So Vlogit is the name of the app where everyone of your friends receive a notification and you vlog your daily vlogs and that come out on a group. So that is something like, and he's building that in public and he has insane traction across Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. So I am heavily inspired by him. So these are few of the creators, and obviously on X, if you just open the built-in public community, you will be overwhelmed with the people, what the things they are building, the MRR they are crossing. So that is one thing where I look at.
Okay. What is the, revenue model you have come up with for your app, and how did you work it out?
So it's really simple. Like I have basically two plans, which is one is monthly and yearly, and it starts off with 7 day free trial. And there's hard paywall. So once the user uses the app once, and then they have to like pay or pay for that, pay for continued usage. So that is the way, and the exact numbers I've yet to figure out, but they will be somewhere around like 100 for a month or 899 for a year. And the pricing is very similar to what the competitors and other applications in this segment are doing.
Okay. Okay. Did you give a thought of putting up workout regimes for them as well, or a lifestyle regime to, put a track of their fitness lifestyle because you're keeping up the nutrition thing into
Hmm.
that anyways. So is there a thought that you have guys given it to prepare a workout plan for them to personalize it better,
Hmm.
to give that USP? I don't think any of your competitors are doing that.
Yeah, no, there are applications like the calorie tracking apps. So MyFitnessPal, Healthify Me especially, like that is the most used, I think, in India specifically. So they are doing that, and right now I've been focused on fitness because
But
for
I'm
me,
talking about personalized or by taking their BMI.
right, right. So suggesting workout is not like, from the testers I had also given to, suggesting workouts or workout was not a requested feedback, but instead health insights from whatever they're eating, those things were much more requested. So I am trying to like really focus on only the nutrition and health insights from what you eat, because workouts are something which don't tend to change very rapidly, or they don't need to be tracked, especially because if you're going to gym, or if you're walking daily, there is a range that you are doing almost frequently. There is not a lot of variance happening, so there is not a lot to track also. And when your activity level is taken into consideration in the app, on basis of which you are given the recommendation of the calories, that the activity level is what you are currently doing, so that is taken into consideration. So I'm trying not to diverge into fitness and more things right now, but later, if the feedback suggests they need it, we'll definitely look into it.
Okay, then let's stick to nutrition itself. You're talking about macros,
Hmm.
the overall calories, but coming to the sub part of it, like what exactly they have to take in terms of protein, fiber,
Hmm.
the sub part of it. Uh, is there something that you guys can work on the person's data to provide that, through their BMI?
Yeah, so we are taking that one step further. So basically, from whatever they have eaten, this is the P1. Like after the initial release, this will be shipped in within a week also, where they will get health reports, basically weekly, monthly, whatever they have eaten. On basis of that, not only their protein, carbs, fats, and calories, but also fiber, sugar, micronutrients, calcium, vitamin, all those things, as well as things where they need to improve, what like sustainable changes which they can make. So I'm working on that, and that I think is the like biggest mode we will try to create, because no other application does
Exactly.
personalized health insights.
Exactly. I mean, I can generally give a individual that take 1800 calories, you'll do good. So
Hmm.
in that 1800 calories, he can have the whole rice. That is not the way he has to take it. But when you
Yeah.
split it down exactly how much fiber you have to take, how much protein you have to take.
So right now we have calories, fats, proteins, and carbs. These four are there in the app right now. After like even detail the micronutrients and suggestions on base of their food, those will come part of your weekly, monthly health
Oh,
reports.
cool. So coming to AI, do you guys think all the AI tracking apps which has come up, let's take Whoop and Gabbit and many, AI, what do
Hmm.
we call, instruments for yourself or any individual to check, to keep their health track on.
Hmm.
Is there something you guys can track out of them and induce in your application as a data for that particular individual and connect, I mean, to collect data from that?
Yeah, so right now the applications which are Whoop and fitness rings, smartwatches, all these track your health, like your fitness level and your blood pressure and those things. So as I mentioned, fitness is not one thing which you are immediately looking at, but later definitely we won't try to create a new sub part. We will try to integrate whatever the user is using. So Samsung Health, Apple Fitness, Whoop, those things can be integrated. And in future, if for example Lenscard launches a new pair of smart glasses, or people are using Meta glasses, they could like conceptually they would just look at their food and also say what they are eating, and that could be logged in vocal.
Uh, so my doubt was, can we get a personalized food structure for them through their blood pressure or heart rate? Is that helpful for us to build a meal plan for them?
I till the point I have studied, like your blood pressure is directly related to your nutrition, but is also related to a lot of other things: genetics, fitness level, stress level. So these are there are a lot of factors in place. So taking that factor or taking those metrics and providing a nutrition plan is not is not reliable also, I think, for now. But with the data on around their weight, around their BMI, and with the data with what they're having currently, we can provide sustainable health changes which they can incorporate. Because eating A versus B is better is something which we can say confidently, irrespective of their health metrics.
Right. Uh, I mean, collecting data. So basically, when I'm entering my data, I usually enter my weight and what else do you collect from an individual?
So yeah, there's a comprehensive onboarding plan where basically the activity level, height, weight, age, gender, uh, dietary restrictions, and desired weight, and their body goal. So building muscle, losing weight, gaining weight, or maintaining weight. These are the things which we take, and then we give them the recommendations of their calories, proteins, carbs, fats.
I'll tell you a roadblock which I have seen there.
Hmm.
Many individuals will not provide the exact, weight or the exact BMI of their body. You guys are collecting body, sorry, the
Uh,
fat percentage as well?
No, we are not doing that yet. Like we are, the market is also like the target audience is people who are busy, people who are just getting into this because they have or they have tried something and it was difficult. So we are not initially asking them for these metrics like fat percentage or body.
So you say these are for advanced level trainers.
Yeah,
Uh,
so usually when a person is losing weight, your it is tend to like with the training they are doing, it is tend
okay.
that the
Now I
weight.
understood your target market. Yeah. So
Hmm.
you are trying to cater it to people who are trying to lose weight.
Yeah, majority will be that,
Yeah.
yes.
So my perspective as a, I work out actively
Hmm.
like 4 to 5 days a week.
Hmm.
So the perspective of I am talking is my perspective of building it more personalized.
Right, right. Yeah, but definitely, like that is one thing would, because this the tracking part is similar for all people, but this nuance can I'll think of it and add
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Basically, taking the fat percentage also and then mapping that across
Yeah,
their
you can. You
profiles.
can collab with InBody, which is a very good BMI tracking a mission where you get the data,
Okay.
and when if you are able to get that data from them and
Hmm.
build something around it, it would be really help. Give
Right,
a
right.
value to the user.
Yes, makes sense. We'll look into
Yes, yes.
this.
I think we had. Our time was just 20 minutes, and we have got to 28. Yes, it was nice talking to you, man, and I hope your product, will get traction and will get users with the way you're providing value to it. And see you soon once you get your GTM and good users. We'll sit down again and we can talk about what's the way forward later.
Yes, yes, definitely. It was nice talking to you as well. Have a good.
Thank you. Thanks for
Thank
your
you.
time.
Yes.
Just wait for a second.